Er gwythadu, ac oherwydd yr ofalus sydd yn chwilio i asanologol. Yn ystod haf, ni mewn teitl yn yr fath o'r hyd, ond gyda'r maint yn llifo drwy'r hydnod mwy o gyrraedd mobile. They started with a small amount of explosives between
This is the second cave. We are going inside. There are some paintings as well, so let's just check what that painting is for.
Could be hunted in the area by painting their images in the caves, thus providing plenty of food for their family to live. Now let's look from the left, the animal show. The things that they have found by ourselves in Africa.
This is very quiet. This is very quiet in here, guys. It's amazing. From here because we have to catch the other cave as well, third one. So I thought I'll just quickly look into this and yeah, just catch up the other things outside. It's a little bit slippery as well.
in Vietnam.
Yeah.
Everything goes.
Yeah. 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 नहीं अगर हमारे साथ और क्या होता ना ग्रुप और मतलब 4-5 लोग इकट्ठे रहते तो आई कुड हैव गॉन इजीली. अच्छा जी हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं क्योंकि अब तीसरा केव भी हमें एक्सप्लोर करना है तो मैंने कहा कि चलो जल्दी से जाके तीसरा भी एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं. Yeah. Yeah, good, yeah. I mean, I am amazed, you know, looking at all this. What's this in the glass? Why did they put it in the glass? What is that? How old is this, do we know? Huh? 300 years old?
As you can see, food and weapons have been put into the grave to be used in the journey to the next world.
This is slippery. Here we are, end of second cave. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा है सेकंड केव देख के. अब हम जाएंगे थर्ड केव में.
I left the rich exit to the confined space and entered a small sun.
Here. What is this? Are we going into that cave? Very low canopy. We need to wear this. Safety comes first, guys. Let's go in.
These people also like to do. Sir, when you arrive shortly in Bone Cave.
While you are walking at the Google Cave, imagine you spend your last time.
Is it very low? Oh gosh.
You are going to the farming field down the wall. Also like to stand and stone face
Oop.
Best known for the large canine teeth that protrude from their upper jaw, measuring up to 30 centimeters.
Oh यार ये तो बॉन्ड है Kaleem.
That's lost for protection in caves, but rules by the competitor in man. extraordinary. Competition with man for prey. And use of caves for
We'll go a little bit in and then, yeah.
ultimately gave wars their
Come
reputation.
over.
And man's relentless hunting of wolves.
This is it.
This is it. Oh,
100 years ago. On the mountains in this area, you can still see standing stones, stone avenues, and stone circles, which are probably, but we will never know for sure. A Bronze Age family may have used Bone Cave as a shelter, or maybe to hide from enemies during
What?
times of unrest in the area. Bronze Age families were skillful farmers, so during normal times would have had huts outside for themselves and for their animals. They would also have hunted red deer and supplemented their diet with berries, herbs and seeds. During this period,
this is it, guys. This is all about here.
Curlion,
Around.
just outside Newport, was the main military camp in this
That's
area.
it. We're going out now.
However, there was a small military camp that could have been just an hour's march from Bone Cave. Right, we can go straight here. We had to bend coming out of that door. It was very small canopy. Look at that view. Stunning. It was worth coming to this side. Oh gosh. Right, all these screams you are hearing is in their radio, in their recording.
That's right. You may.
Right. Take it off. Put it back. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
Did you like it? I've enjoyed it a lot. I hope, guys, you have enjoyed watching our caves. Please do leave comments for me so I know if you have enjoyed watching caves or not. There will be another video separate for dinosaurs, so do watch that movie as well, and hope to see you next again soon. Bye for now.